What if I told you you could actually purchase done-for-you digital products that you could then turn around and legally resell for 100% profit? Well, you can. It's otherwise known as digital marketing, and I'm breaking it all down for you today. If you're new around here, hi, my name is Michelle. Normally I do all things photography, but today I have something really extra special that could literally go for anybody that wants to make extra revenue and passive income. But as always, I do have a freebie for you. So down in the description box below is my free fast track to digital wealth guide. It's everything you need to know to really get started in this whole passive income digital marketing world. So you can grab that for free down in the description box below, and let's get into the video. So what is digital marketing? It's a fancy way of saying you're simply promoting and selling brands, digital products across online platforms such as social media or websites in order to connect with potential buyers or customers. I love digital products for so many reasons. It has very low overhead. You don't have to keep track of inventory. You can do it from your home. You can work when you want to. It costs very little to get up and running. It doesn't take a lot of experience or knowledge to do this. You just have to be willing to set aside a few hours a week at least. What I love also is it's infinitely scalable, so you're not trading time for money. Now, I hate the idea when everyone says make money while you sleep, because yes, once you get all your systems set up and running, you can make money on autopilot, which is great. But I think the idea of like, I'll make money when I sleep, they make it seem like it's no work at all. And of course there's work. It's anything that brings you revenue is going to be a little bit of work, but the way that I'm going to talk about today is probably the easiest way, the easiest like plug and play business model I can think of to get you up and running selling digital products as fast as possible. It's the perfect side hustle that could even replace your income or exceed it, what you're doing now. And I think it's like so important for anybody to have extra revenue coming in nowadays. Now, before we can get you up and running on autopilot with your systems, sales funnels, all the things, we need to actually get you a digital product. And so you might even be saying, yeah, I get it, Michelle, digital products sound awesome, but I just don't have the time to make one myself, or I don't even know what to create. I've got you. You can get done for you digital products if they come with what's called master resell rights, which is MRR, or private label rights, PLR. So I'm gonna break down what those mean. So MRR is also known as master resell rights. And what that does is if you purchase a product with master resell rights, it gives you the legal right to turn around and sell that product for 100% profit. So you can sell it as your own, which is amazing. There's only two things you can't do with an MRR product, and that is one, lower the sale price. So you have to sell it for a minimum price that you purchase it at, which is great because that means you only have to make one sale to make your money back. So you do have to sell it at the minimum price that it is set, and then you also cannot change the product. So you can't edit it, modify it, you have to just do it as is. And in my experience, a really good MMR product, you wouldn't want to change it. I've seen MMR products on courses, on templates, on all kinds of things. And what that means for you, which is amazing, is you don't have to do any of the fulfillment. So once you sell this product and you give instructions on how someone gets the product, all of it's done for you. So let's say your course is an MMR, you don't have to fulfill any of that. You don't have to do any of the modules, you don't have to do the trainings, you don't have to keep up with the community, you don't have to do anything. Now, I do advise if people have questions that you are at least commenting and helping them along the way as like they're navigating through whatever product that you sold, because trust me, that's another story. But the person that I bought my first MMR product through did not help me and ghosted me, and that was not cool. And so I never do that to anybody else because I know what that feels like, and it's pretty crappy. So definitely just nurture the audience that you do have. However, as far as the product itself, like any training, knowledge, all that stuff, that is done for you, that you just get to resell, and you don't have to do any of the fulfillment on the platform or anything. You just literally give them like the key, the ticket gateway into whatever product that you have. But what you are allowed to do with an MMR product is add to it, meaning let's say the MMR product is a course and you want to add like a couple of your other products to create like a bundle. So you can either do that as like bonus to get people to incentivize to buy with you versus someone else, which is what I would recommend, or you can use that bundle to increase the price. So you can make the product more than what you purchased at, but you just can't go below that minimum price. Now, PLR products are private label rights products, and I really love PLR products because it gives you the right to actually edit and modify the product itself and then turn around and resell it for 100% profit. Now, PLR products are often what's called lower ticket items, so a little bit smaller investment inside, and so you can modify like maybe templates, PDFs, stuff like that. Now, as far as where to find these products, well, you're in luck because I have 3 PLR products at the time of this recording, which I'm sure I will be adding to the store constantly, so you can check out the link down below in the description box and see what all else I might have going on there depending on when you're watching this video. But to start with, I'll briefly just talk about 3 that you can for the option. And these are PLR, so meaning again that you can modify, edit them to fit your branding, which I actually do recommend that you change it a little bit, and then you can resell for yourself. So the first one is probably my favorite. It's a video bundle of 5,000 faceless aesthetic videos. Yep, that's right. Over 5,000 videos that you can use even for your own content. So you're allowed to use it in your own TikTok, Instagram, Reels, all that stuff. And you get to turn around and resell it for 100% profit. So not only can you get the money back that you are using to purchase from me from, but you also get to make more income as it goes. Now, the second PLR product that I have is a faceless TikTok marketing guide, which is how to sell without showing your face. So if this business model couldn't get any sweeter, you don't even have to show your face if you don't want to, because I know what some of you are thinking. You're like, okay, I'm starting to buy into this idea, but I don't want to be on camera. Like, I don't feel like that's not the content I want to create. And the best part is you don't have to. I know many people that are making 4 to 5 figures a month with faceless Instagram and TikTok accounts doing digital marketing. It is so possible. In fact, I'm going to post a few testimonials here so you can see that it is possible. And the last PLR product I have is a social media calendar. Everybody that is getting into digital marketing, they're gonna need to stay organized and they're gonna need to keep track of their content and all the stuff across the board. So you can use it for yourself, or again, you can edit it, change the colors, fonts, whatever you wanna do, and you can turn around and resell it for 100% profit. Again, what I love about this model so much is it's not an MLM. You don't need people under you to get more money or a certain percentage or commissions. Like, this is 100% profit. This is your own business. You're not cold calling anyone or cold messaging anyone or being really icky sales. You're just creating content and talking about it and reselling what you purchased so someone else could also purchase it. So you really are helping other people, which I love. Like, that's why I could get behind this, is because I'm literally giving you something that you can make money off of. So that's pretty sweet in my opinion. And again, if you don't have a lot of time to invest in this full time, it's the perfect side hustle to just start making a little extra money here and there for your family. Maybe you want to save up for vacation, or you want to get out, pay off some debt. Like, it's a great way to do it without having to sacrifice more time for money. And I've seen other digital marketers talk about like, oh, you have to be so motivated, you have to hate your job, you have to go all in, to make good money. And in my humble opinion, you do not need to hate your job to start making extra income. You just have to be tired of living paycheck to paycheck, or in my case, I'm a photographer, client to client. So if you would like some little extra income, some buffer room, I would actually argue that if you're a creative entrepreneur or photographer like me, it only helps your business to have extra income coming in, because one, you're no longer going to be stressed about the slow months. You can invest in more equipment, software that you've been wanting to up level your photography. You can also take on the clients that you want to take, or feel like you don't have to work every night and weekend just because it's work coming your way. So it's only going to make you a better photographer by having another stream of income. As far as the tools you need to actually do this digital marketing business, I'm going to go in more depth in another video about all of these, but at a very basic level, you just need 3 things. 1, a digital product to sell, which we've already talked about in this video, and I've provided some that you can get going right away with the link below. Number 2 is you need a place to talk about the digital product, aka you need an audience. So that's your social media platforms or an email list. And 3, you need a place to actually sell the digital product, so deliver the digital product and then accept payments. Again, I'm gonna go more into depth in another video, but I use the program called Beacons, which you'll see when you look at my store linked down below. Now, if this made you really excited and you wanna go like all in on digital marketing and make really good money doing this as like an actual business, then I highly recommend checking out my next video, where I'm gonna go more into depth, step by step, how I learned how to run my entire digital marketing business and how you can too, and how people are making 4 to 5 figures every month doing what I'm about to tell you, and how they learned how to do this, and how you can learn like up to 5 different ways to make money online. Like, crazy scalable potential. It's really exciting. So definitely make sure you check out the next video, and don't forget to grab your free fast track to digital wealth guide down in the description box below, and then spam me with your questions in the comments because I'll do my best to help you. And like I said, I got more info coming. So if this is just the tip of the iceberg. So until the next one, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.